So what's up guys and welcome back, and today we will be talking about the Jamaicans in Paris Olympic 2024. Now it is very safe to say that the American female sprinters will have to definitely tighten their belt if they want to beat the Jamaican queens, because Elaine Thomson Herah is returning back to her form, and Shakari is definitely going to be in trouble because this time around it is definitely going to be the 1 2 3 from Jamaica again. Now, the main reason why I said this is because um before, the Jamaicans are underestimating the strength of Shakari. They were definitely feeling like she is not enough to beat them. But after she beat them in Budapest World Athletic Championship, Shericka Jackson now knows that Shakari is not someone you can overlook. And that is why I said that Shakari is in trouble, because the Jamaicans are definitely going to Paris Olympic for a revenge. I mean, they are definitely ready to take the gold medal in Budapest World Athletic. I feel like the Jamaicans are ready. I feel like the Jamaicans are coming with this full force to take over and to dominate. Now, track fans, I do not want to make this video all about the Jamaicans. Yes, Shakari is also training. Shakari is in fact, I heard a rumor recently that Shakari wants to do better than she did in Budapest World Athletic. Probably she is targeting the Flujo world record, but it feels like she wants to do it silently, because Shakari Richardson has totally changed. She is no longer coming to social media and telling the world her plans. Rather, I feel like she is putting in the work in silent, just like the Jamaicans. Now, Ellen Thompson Herah, on the other hand, is also training very hard, and I also heard that Shericka Jackson is now planning to dominate both the 200 and 100 meters, just like no one else. So, and that is the main reason why I said that Shericka Jackson and Ellen Thompson Herah are going to stop Shakari Richardson from getting that gold medal in Paris Olympic. In fact, the Paris Olympic female sprinting event is going to be one of the most hottest race we have ever witnessed. Shelly and Fraser, that is popularly known as the GOAT of female sprinting event, will be hoping to make her last and final Olympics. She will be hoping to get her final gold medal in Olympics. Is that dream coming to pass? While Ellen Thompson Herah, on the other hand, has a lot of pressure on her head. And what I mean is, a lot of people are expecting Ellen Thompson Herah to be able to secure the double double, because she is popularly known as the Olympic girl. So a lot of people are hoping to see Ellen Johnson Herah doing what she has been doing in the Olympics, and that is why I feel like there is a lot of pressure on her head to deliver. And that is why I said it is definitely going to be one of the hottest race we have ever seen in the entire history of athletics. And if Ellen Thompson Herah fails to secure her position as the double double Olympic champion, then a lot of people are going to take her off. Like, a lot of people are going to forget about her as the queen of, or goat of, female sprinting. And if she is able to secure the double double, I'm talking about Ellen Thompson Herah, then definitely she will be crowned as the GOAT of female sprinting event. While Shelly and Fraser, on the other hand, if she is able to win the gold medal in the Paris Olympic, then she will regain her title as the GOAT and the overall best sprinter in the whole wide world. Shakari Richardson, on the other hand, if she is able to get the gold medal in Paris, then she will gain more popularity and a lot of people will love her. Anyway, track fans, let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me hear about what you think. in the comment section.